RidinWithJ here, back with another install video. So today we're going to be installing the Kawasaki Crankcase protectors. So here's the Kawasaki part number. And it's going to be going on 2018 Kawasaki Z900. I'm pretty sure it's the same for the 2017. So pretty much these have an adhesive backing to it, and they just kind of stick on your crankcase and help protect it if you were to drop the bike. I'm pretty sure it wouldn't protect it if you were to have a hard fall, but if you lay the bike over, you won't scratch up the case or maybe make a little nick in there. So that's what they're for. They're just made out of like a hard plastic material. So that's what we're going to be installing today. Very, very simple. Okay, so very simple. So you're going to be removing the adhesive backing from the rear side of the crankcase protector. And you want to make sure the surface is clean. I already cleaned it. Just with something to remove any dust or dirt or grease that may be on there. And you're just going to be lining it up with the notches on the crankcase. Making sure that everything looks somewhat level. And then once you think you got it in place, you're just going to push down, applying a little bit of pressure. Hold it for a few seconds, and then you're going to repeat on this side and the other side. So same thing, gonna remove the backing from here, and then make sure it's nice and level. Apply a little bit of pressure, hold it for a few seconds, and that's that. Okay, so now on to the left side of the bike. It's going to be the same as the right side of the bike. So already remove the backing from the adhesive portion of the crankcase protector. So you're just gonna line it up, make sure everything's nice and level, and once it's nice and level, you're just gonna apply some pressure for a few seconds and hold it down. Just like the other side, you want to make sure that the surface is nice and clean, free of any dust or dirt or grease before trying to stick this on, because you want it to last. Okay, so there you have it. So the install of the crankcase protector on the 2018 Kawasaki Z900. So coming over to the right side of the bike, you can see crankcase protectors. So just something to add a little bit more security to your bike if the unfortunate happens, bike tips over, or whatever. Anyways, so that's the install. I'll be putting a link in the description for the Kawasaki part numbers if you're interested in getting it for your 2017 or 2018 Z900. It'll be there. Anyways, thanks for watching. Have a good day. Bye.